In this video, we're going to discuss exactly why Google, or really any search engine, loves video content. Today, basically all major platforms are investing heavily in video content. Facebook considers video a mega trend, and Alphabet, Google's parent company, isn't slowing down anytime soon. Hi, I'm Neil Carroll with Nickel City Graphics, and today we're going to discuss why Google loves video so that you can more effectively reach your marketing goals. Having this knowledge can help get a better understanding of how things currently work, and maybe it'll impress your boss. It's not your imagination. Google loves video content. In fact, Google loves video content more than your 2,000-word articles, and the reason is fairly simple. People prefer videos to blog posts. There is nothing wrong with blogs. In fact, videos and blogs can live in harmony together. But marketers make the mistake of not understanding that Google's algorithms are in place to create a better user experience. Let's think about that for a second. Behind this user interface is a complex and confusing amount of code. These online platforms look the way they do, and updates occur so that people can engage and interact easier. If users aren't happy, there's no point in platforms to exist. Rather than fighting the powers that be, marketers should just keep in mind that what's best for the end user is best for you. Again, behind the scenes, these are real people. Okay, so Google loves video because people love video. But what about some more specific information? If you place video on a landing page of your website, you're 53% more likely to rank higher on Google. By incorporating video into a page or multiple pages on your website, you can raise conversion rates by about 80% on average. Not to mention, adding video to an email will make click-through rates go up in no time. All of this is because users are demanding more video content and Google is responding. Here are some other reasons why Google loves video and how your videos can make an impact. Incorporate video into an already existing blog post. You're 3 times more likely to attract inbound links compared to posting a blog without video content. These links will increase your SEO even further, which tells Google that they should rank you higher. Not to mention, if you incorporate your own original content, that's basically a win-win situation. You can spread the love and share videos that are a part of your industry, but if you make your own content, it will help establish you as a leader in your space. People will stick around on a blog or your page if the video you have there is relevant and interesting. Google really likes 2 big things: watch time and time on page. For a YouTube video, they're basically one and the same. But the longer you get people to stay on your page, the more that tells Google that the content you're putting out is important. And once you get people to interact with your videos by leaving comments and subscribing, then Google's algorithm will take note and help rank you even higher. If you're producing videos but aren't using captions or transcriptions already, you should get on that. Captions are great for videos on social media. For example, videos on Facebook will autoplay as you scroll by. By having captions, people can quickly see what the spoken dialogue is about. Not to mention, using the transcript is great for identifying keywords. Use your transcript to craft an engaging and detailed description. Your description on YouTube not only tells people what to expect, but it helps give Google context as to what your video is going to be about. That will help ensure that your video is being organically directed at the right people. We've mentioned getting video engagement before. Having people like your video, subscribe, or leave a comment is critical in telling Google that your video is important. You should also consider making your video easy to share. People who see videos on social media channels are more likely to like and share than they would be with a plain text post. Every time someone shares your video, that creates a new backlink. From a traditional SEO standpoint, this is an important thing to have. Sharing video also acts as social currency. If your video is shared enough to the right people, you can start a snowball effect. We aren't saying it'll go viral, that's just a buzzword. And there you have it, the reasons why video is important and why Google loves video content. We really hope that this information was useful and that you learned something new today. Let us know in the comments below how you use video in your content marketing strategy. If you don't already, tell us how you plan to do so. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see all our future videos on video marketing. I'm Neil with Nickel City Graphics. Thanks again for watching.